it represents opportunities for three parts to have a tripartite partnership to reinforce our collaboration, to forge more partnership, as well as we can work together. And then also we welcome our Central Asia exhibitors to come to Hong Kong and to collaborate with our industry, as well as through our exhibition platform to promote the jewelry in different parts of the world.
Center of culture, religious Islam, and science culture of the not only Central Asia but Euro-Asia. That's why we have a lot of ancient buildings, architecture.
Yes, with those cultural elements.
Yes.
That's very, very nice.
We really welcomed the first participation from Uzbekistan to Hong Kong this time, and indeed it's our first ever the delegation from the Central Asia. So we really appreciate that, given TDC has been organizing the jewelry show for 42 years. So we want to have more different countries to join our show to expand our exhibitor scope. So this time, I think Uzbekistan has bring a lot of the gold jewelry, as well as a lot of the jewelry with unique cultural elements. So we hope that it can expand the variety of the products showing in the jewelry show. And in the MoU, indeed, we also hope that TDC can be a platform, a bridge to connect Uzbekistan to the other parts of the world through our exhibition platform as well as our other events.
Uzbekistan has already participated in Istanbul, in Las Vegas, and other Italian, also Vincenzo exhibitions, but we are now the first time presenting in Hong Kong exhibition by the help of the HKTDC. And of course, from the first day, we have seen the potential clients, not the B2C, but B2B. And we have seen the potential of the Hong Kong exhibition is very huge and high. And I hope we will participate every year, because it is good, as Ms. Mandy told. I hope that HKTDC, this exhibition will be bridged not only for Uzbekistan, but for the all Central Asia. I don't know about the CIS countries, but I didn't see the CIS countries also here. I think from the CIS countries, from Soviet Union republics, Uzbekistan participated here with the country pavilion. So we hope that the Central Asian countries will be also participate in the next exhibitions.
Hong Kong, China, the belt and the road and belt, is really something that we're looking forward. And Uzbekistan is definitely a place that not only the industry, but also with all the members we have at HKJMA, that we would like to look forward to see the established or the factory, and also the production that Uzbekistan have. It's very important for associations to, explore new markets and continue making Hong Kong jewelry, not just in Hong Kong, but also different parts of the world.